Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 25th, 2011. Well, it looks like we've got turnaround Tuesday going here today, or the beginning of a February break in the grain markets, because grains are down here this morning. Corn down 9, beans down 10 to 13. We've got wheat 10 to 13 lower as well. And a lot of the markets are down here, so it's kind of a macro selling attitude here this morning. It's either a lack of funds participating on the buy side, or some profit taking by funds going on here the way it looks right now. The dollar, it's higher this morning, down 25 after testing support here 3 days in a row, down around that $78 area in the March dollar. We've got crude oil down 118. Gold is down $15 to $16. Stock indexes are all lower here this morning, suggesting a lower stock the New York Stock Exchange to open lower here this morning. News that's circulating all a bit on the bearish side. The China sold only 153,000 tons of corn out of their reserve here, so not very much. Also, China is admitting that they are replacing corn with DDGs at the maximum possible rate they can for hog rations. Yesterday, a Japanese feed compounder come out and said that they're going to lower their corn use from 50% in rations down to 30% in rations. That certainly could have an impact on corn use here as they replace it with wheat, cottonseed hulls, DDGs, various different ingredients. Also, rain in Argentina. The forecast now is for some good rain over the next several days in the dry areas. And you got to realize in South America right now, it's kind of like August here in the U.S. They are getting rain on their soybean crop, certainly improving their chances of production down there. Brazil, news out of there is that their crop is 12% mature on soybeans versus 6% average. Also, private estimates are coming out with greater production out of Brazil, up to 69 million metric tons. That is above what the USDA has had, and certainly a very strong number coming out of that region. Technically, March soybeans should have support around this 1375 to 1385 area. We went down, almost tested that area last night, got down around the 1390 area in the March contract. We should see some support there. Likewise in the corn, down around 640, and then in the 630 range should provide some support after we see some profit taking here. So markets haven't completely turned down unless we would take out these levels and close below them. That would give a lot of the chart watchers a different perspective. Also in the wheat, Russia's ag minister made an announcement yesterday. He's looking for a 85 to 87 million ton crop coming out of Russia next year in 2011. That's considerably higher than the 60 million metric ton that they produced this year. All in all, a bit of a negative news, a little profit taking, and maybe the start of some seasonal patterns here that we normally get some profit taking during the month of February. So something to watch out for. And however, we think that this market's going to be well supported on the acreage battle, as we do have to fight for acres and get enough corn acres to meet demand here in 2011. In the livestock trade, cutout values were slightly changed, down 10 cents in the choice, up 3 cents in the select. Cash markets were quiet. We do have a cattle inventory report coming out on Friday of this week. That usually doesn't have a great impact on market movement here as far as futures go, but it gives us a longer term picture of what type of production and supply that we are going to be looking at in the cattle inventory. The pork cutout values were up 59 cents. News there that Russia has warned and halted buying of German pork because of some contamination there. So that could improve and support prices here in the pork complex as we're seeing overnight. They're just a bit higher. Cattle are trading slightly lower here today. So look for some evening up of positions here, some profit taking maybe for a few days, and then I think we're going to have to be expecting that the funds step back in on any kind of pressure here to support this thing. So stay with Allendale. We'll keep you informed. Give us a call if you got any questions. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day, and we will talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.